Motion is the heart of storytelling, but sometimes the most powerful thing you can do is stop it entirely. Welcome to the art of the freeze frame. When used with intention, it becomes a cinematic game changer. Timing is everything. A freeze frame shouldn't feel like a technical mistake. It should feel like a deliberate narrative choice. Use it to amplify emotion, capturing a fleeting moment of joy or sorrow that words alone cannot fully describe. Always sync your freeze frames to the rhythm of your music or the exact peak of a narrative climax for maximum effect. Get creative with your techniques. Try freezing your subject while the background continues to move in a motion blur. It's also an iconic tool for character introductions, giving your audience a necessary moment to register who is on screen. When the action finally resumes, the impact of the movement is felt even more deeply by your viewers. Don't just pause the frame, use it to narrate. Start editing with purpose and tell a better story today.